You can start your drawing in many different ways with Punch software. First, you can open one of the sample plans. Look at the 2D or 3D preview. When you find a plan that you like, just simply click Open Plan to open up the drawing as a live Punch drawing that you can edit and decorate as you like. Or use Quick Start. Lay out the overall space of your house with these shapes. When you've laid out the plan, use the preview to see the space as you're laying it out. Simply click the Continue button. It will automatically draw all of the walls for you. To automatically generate a roof, click to select the perimeter and choose Generate Roof. You can also start your plan from scratch if you'd like to do that. Instead of using the shapes in Quick Start, just click Continue and start drawing walls. Again, we'll generate a roof. Options are always available to create and update the automatically generated roof. You can also import a house using Photo View and then Landscape in 3D. When using Quick Start to start your plan, you can edit this plan by deleting walls or moving walls. And you can also edit the plan by also adding additional walls. In this case, we'll add a little utility closet in the corner of the kitchen. There's a wide selection of doors available. Simply choose a style. Placing doors is very easy. Just click to set the center of the door and move your mouse, and then click to set the door swing. That door swing can be changed at any point. You can even close the door if you'd like. And of course, you can add door hardware. Different types of doors are available to fit the different styles of your designs. And we can even go to the custom doors and a variety of more sophisticated door styles, like this oval glass door for your entryway. Windows are placed in the same fashion as doors. Again, a wide selection is available. Drag along the wall and insert the window. On the Properties tab, you have the choice of changing the width of the window, the height of the window, even the elevation of the window above the ground. This allows you to totally customize that window and its space. And to customize further, you can add grills or remove them. There are different 3D views available of your plan. A resizable 3D window and the full 3D view, which is great when it comes time to decorate. The walkthrough mode gives you a standing view that allows you to look straight ahead and walk through the plan. You can also use the wheel on your mouse to look up or down. Back to our plan view. In 2D, the Zoom tool allows you to move in on your design. And the Pan tool allows you to drag that plan around to let you work in close and in different parts of the drawing. Floors are automatically generated when you create your plan. There are some cases where you may wish to create a floor section separate from the automatically created floors. The Floor tool allows you to create a slab as a floor section, using any of the available drawing shapes. This floor slab can be used for a variety of things, not just floors. In this case, we've put in a floor section that we'll use for a hearth for the fireplace. You can drag and drop into the 3D view or the 2D view. We could apply tile or some other material to that floor section that we just put in. If we go to Elevation Bar, you can see that it's automatically been placed on top of that floor section. You can also modify the floor sections by simply selecting a point or a segment, dragging it with your mouse and cursor, or using the arrow keys, you can nudge those segments or points in the drawing. As you start decorating, window treatments like blinds and draperies can be added. Here, we've placed some tie-back draperies. You can change the translucency with the transparency slider. In this case, we've made it look like shears, so that you can actually see the light and the landscaping through the window. Electrical components are available to help with the electrical in the house. Choose the component style from the Properties bar and just drag a receptacle along the wall and place it where needed. There are many different kinds of receptacles available. These attachments to the wall are all placed in a similar fashion. Switches are available as well. In this case, a 3-gang switch. And just like the receptacle, just drag along the wall and release to place it. Punch allows you to make lighting settings in both 2D and 3D. The lighting settings are available from the menu, but the lighting settings are also available right from the 3D view. Here, you can set the sunlight on and off. You can even set the direction of the sunlight from the 3D menu. We'll adjust the sunlight and the ambient light to make it look like nighttime. Place a fixture light just like a recessed light in the house. You can turn the lights on and off. There's a variety of controls for these lights. And we'll render so that you can see the result. And when you're finished experimenting with your lighting design in your plan, just simply turn the sunlight and lighting back up. Placing cabinets is just as easy. Simply drag and drop along the wall and release to place the cabinet. You can also place an island cabinet in the middle of your plan. Plumbing components makes it very easy to insert a sink in our base cabinet. Other plumbing components are available, like bathtubs, toilets, even custom showers with just a couple of mouse clicks. Punch makes it very easy to decorate. There are default design materials that are already provided to get you started in your decorating. There are paint colors available, materials, and they're all applied in the same fashion using a special feature called Smart Wand. We'll just drag this hardwood floor material onto the floor. It sees that this is a floor and gives you a choice to place the floor here or through the whole house. Smart Wand technology looks to see what type of surface you're applying materials to and gives you the choice as to how many of those surfaces in your design you'd like the new material applied to. And to finish this room off, there are hundreds of 3D objects that you can drag and drop into your design to finish decorating it. Everything from area rugs to individual pieces of furniture and even whole groups of furniture that you can drag and drop in with a single mouse click. And a finished version of this plan with an area rug and some accessories on the table. One way to start your landscaping is to import a photograph of your house with a photo view and start landscaping it in 3D. Here, we've imported a photograph, put in a walkway, a driveway, and we'll add a mulch bed for our plants in front. When you are adding plants, the Plant Finder will allow you to search for plants by hardiness zone, sunlight requirements, even water requirements. Plants are broken down into categories. You can even search for plants by name. Just drag and drop the plants right into your design. And once you've done the landscaping in your plan, the Grow feature allows you to grow your landscape over time. and will increase the maximum growing age here. This is a great tool to check how shadows affect the landscaping in the lot. Great for planting all kinds of plants that you wish to plant. To help in your landscaping, the Plant Bar will give you a current inventory of the different plants that you have in your design, making it easy for you to select from current plants and place more into the drawing. Each of the Punch products also has a special set of tools called Power Tools. Photo View allows you to import a picture of your house. Estimator for keeping track of your work. The selection of power tools is dependent on which Punch software product you have. Whatever your project, inside or outside, large project or small, Punch software has the right solution for your design needs.